It's your boy Jay, back with another dope review. I have another video where I show you how to make sure you got the official Tim, and now we're gonna do a quick video on how to lace these bad boys. Most time when they come from the factory or from Timberland or the store, it's gonna look like this. Or we're gonna make sure it looks right, look real official. You know what I mean? Same way Jay would wear it, same way Big would wear it. These are icons, and when thinking about icon and how they wear these shoes, you want to make sure you're wearing it official. You know what I mean? So check it out. So let's start with, when you get in these Tims, we're gonna unlace it, pretty much all the way down to the bottom. I don't really understand why they come pretty much all tightened up. Like, loosen this bad boy up, man. We don't rock them like that. If I see you rocking like that, I might say something, but if not, do you, man. Got mind my business, you know? So I'm gonna unlace these all the way down to the last. Right.
Like this.
So this is how we're gonna start. You always gotta make sure it's evened out. So take it, pull it all the way, make sure the ends are even. If not, you're just gonna take the time to fix it. I'm looking at it right now, pretty even. You don't really have to do too much. So when it comes to it, when we hit this point, how we're gonna go at it, we're pretty much gonna go every other one, going from the inside out. So it's gonna look something like this. Boom. Boom. You start seeing it coming together right now. So again, every other one. Boom. Boom. And when you get to right here, just stop. We're not gonna go all the way up to this top part. This is the point where you're not gonna go over under anymore. You're gonna go from the inside. Boom. Same thing on the other side. Boom. And again, we just went to the next one up. Right here. We didn't go to the final hole. Never rock it on the final hole. Only if you need to, but yeah, don't rock it on the final hole. Then pretty much right here, I like to tie the ends. Show you where it's heavy. I like to tie a little knot in the ends. When you have it on your foot, it'll be a little bit shorter than this because it's gonna be really on a relaxed look. But tie the ends on both sides. And you pretty much got it. This will be the traditional way. When it's loose, looks way better, man. Alright. Make sure you like this video, you share it with a friend, you subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know how you feeling with this. Alright?